Okay, I'm going to show you how that I sharpen a blade on the sawmill. I've got a new It15 sawmill here by wood mizer, and I just love fooling. Just a hobby. I just do it as a hobby, not to make any money much or nothing. Just do it as a hobby. So I'm going to show you what you do. I'm going to show you if I can get an up close picture here. You push it in and back to the left and swing it to the right. Push it in, swing it to the left, back to the right. Push it in, swing it to the left, back to the right. Let me show you again. Push it in, back to the right. Push it in, back to the right. Push it in, back to the right. I've got me a mark right here, see, where to get started here. So we'll try to get her going here. This thing's hard to start sometimes. Just hang in. I'll back up one. I made a mistake, marked the wrong one. Push in. Okay, that's the way I do it when I get in a jam. Let's say I'm sawing a log. This is the only blade I've got, and I need to get this log sawed, so that will get me out of a jam. Now, I'm not telling you to do this. I'm just telling you how I do when I get in a jam. And it works. I've sharpened blades 5 or 6 times like this, you know, and get good cutting out of them. But not as good as a professional machine. I advise anybody to use a professional machine. I don't have one. If I do that, I got to ship my blade off, pay shipping there, pay shipping back. And if I can sharpen my blade 3 or 4 times, I mean, I can get the worth of it, you know. And to me, it saves money, you know. So that's how I do it. And I'm not telling nobody to do it. I'm just showing you how I do it. It just get me out of jam sometimes. Thank you for watching.